Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Power Automate with Azure OpenAI for summaries, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Microsoft Power Automate with Azure OpenAI for summaries, start by logging into your Microsoft Power Automate account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Flows section on the left sidebar. Click on Create at the top right corner of the page to begin a new flow. Select Automated Cloud Flow to create a flow that runs automatically based on a trigger. Provide a name for your flow that reflects its purpose. In the Choose Your Flows Trigger section, search for and select a trigger that suits your needs, such as when a new email arrives. After selecting your Next, you need to add an action to your flow. Click on New Step. In the Action search box, type Azure OpenAI to find the connector. Select the relevant Azure OpenAI action, such as Generate Summary. You will be prompted to sign in or provide connection information for your Azure OpenAI. Once connected, configure the parameters for the summary action. This typically includes the text you wish to summarize. You can add a dynamic content placeholder if you're summarizing text from the trigger, like the body of the email. After setting up your summary action, click on New Step to add further actions if needed. For instance, you might want to save the summary to a SharePoint list or send it via email. Search for the desired connector, such as SharePoint or Outlook, and select the corresponding action. Fill out the required fields with dynamic content from previous steps accordingly. Once all actions are configured, review your flow to ensure all details are correct. Finally, click on the Save button located at the top right corner to activate your flow. Your Power Automate flow is now set up to use Azure OpenAI for generating summaries. To test the flow, trigger the initial event to see how it performs. Monitor the results in the run history to troubleshoot any issues if the flow does not work as expected. Congratulations on setting up your automated summary workflow using Microsoft Power Automate and Azure OpenAI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.